Yes, we lost all Polterwhistle in the Canary Islands. He was kicked to death.
Oh, that's a shame.
Kicked to death by two infuriated canary birds.
Oh, is it?
Someone had been feeding them meat. I happened to see in the eye.
When the world was in black and white and Saturday smelled like popcorn light, Roy Rogers rode across our dreams on a 12-inch TV bright. Before the world learned how to fight with things you couldn't see, we built our forts from cardboard walls and lived in make-believe.